Bryn Handa, I'd like to welcome members and members of the public, as well as our witnesses, to the meeting of the Equality and Social Justice Committee. The public items of this meeting are being broadcast live on Senedd TV. This is a bilingual meeting and simultaneous translation from Welsh to English is available. Are there any declarations of interest from members? I see there are none. Finally, if I drop out of the meeting for any reason, then Sarah Murphy will temporarily chair the meeting while I try to rejoin. So I'm very pleased today to welcome Wanjuko Ngotho Mugua from Bowzo, Sarah Kirkpatrick from Welsh Women's Aid, and Andrea Cleaver, the Chief Executive of the Welsh Refugee Council, to our first evidence session into our inquiry into violence against women, domestic abuse and sexual violence, and how it affects migrant women. So welcome all of you. If I could just start by asking you, in the evidence that Welsh Women's Aid and Bowser have submitted, you highlight that there's been an increase in the number of survivors who were refused a refuge space due to lack of resourcing in the last financial year, 20 to 21. And so 18 people were turned away. And I just wondered what happens to such people if they can't be accommodated by one or other of the